fun time again. A beautiful dam visit today, experiencing live fishing, have freshwater fish, enjoying with family and friends, a place completely a picnic spot encircled by the blue water. So let's start for the day. Here we go. Hi everyone, this is Antara and you are watching Life on Wheels. I would like to thank first of all to all of you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so every time I upload my videos you get a quick notification, so keep yourself tuned with me. Well, this is monsoon time and Telangana awakens the nature from a scorching heat to a beautiful picturesque landscape, rivers and dams being absolutely on a full swing. Today's trip is at Jurala project, the Jurala Dam. Located at a distance of 167 kilometers from Hyderabad, laid over the Krishna River, the dam is at a level of 1045 feet. And this is the only hydroelectric project in Telangana which has water throughout the year. We are on the way to Jurala through Outer Ring Road, ORR, Hyderabad via Gachibowli Road, one of the best roads in Hyderabad which will ease your travel very smoothly. ORR provides an easy connectivity between all the national highways. The expressway connects to almost 33 radial roads. And today it's a very nice weather, driving along the lush green fields and small mountain steeps. But guys, do keep a control on your driving speed on the highway for a very safe journey. Drive is on. We are now at Bangalore Highway, known as National Highway 44. To be more precise, this is one of the best and longest highways in India which connects Kashmir to Kanyakumari and having a stretch of 3,745 kilometers. Feeling hungry? It's breakfast time. Stopping at a highway restaurant. Mostly all joints are operational post lockdown restrictions, hence food is available easily. Journey restarts post stomach satisfaction with hot idlis and the special coconut chutney. Heading towards Jurala, weather is saying it's gonna rain again today, and as per the past 5 days records of rainfall, water level is expected to rise very high at Jurala. A partly cloudy and a partly sunny day today. Here we have arrived at a place called Kotha Kota. This place is very famous for kebabs prepared by the localites, but you need to come here during evening time. The reason for the delicious lip-smacking preparation is they are charcoal grilled in earthenware chula. It is basically a clay-made stove. This is a must-visit place during evening for all the kebab lovers. So travel is on, it's cloudy, I think it's gonna rain in some more time. Spotted a temple on the way, a local temple it is, which got submerged in the lake due to heavy rains. Such a view has always been seen in movies using special effects, but this is an exceptional experience to see a concrete temple underwater. Lucky experience, I must say. Well, another half an hour's time to go, we'll reach Jurala. Destination Jurala. Finally we have reached. I'm very excited. Actually, I love to visit such vast stretch of water bodies anytime I'm offered. Let's go ahead and explore. Well, it's the rainy season, water level has increased, lock gates are open and there is a huge crowd to feel the roars of Jurala. From my exploration, Jurala Dam is a place covered with green lush, surrounded by the blue waters. There is a canal connected to the dam for irrigation usage. The localites are spotted fishing here. A very common view to see small kids and children forming crowd to see the fishes jumping along with the waterfalls. Speciality of this place is you may have fresh fish cooked by the localites. There are small cottages where you can get your choice of fish cooked within half an hour's time at a nominal cost of 70 per kg. And you may also buy live fish ranging between 120 to 150 per kg. Well, cooking span may be more if it is a weekend because of heavy rush. For fish lovers, do not miss the opportunity to have freshly caught fish fried using local spices. I have enjoyed to the fullest and I'm very sure you will like it. You may also get cooked food from home. I found many people and many families, they have cooked their food and brought it here and they are enjoying themselves. This place is mostly like a picnic spot. You can also relax under the cool shady trees and feel the serenity of the place. Some information for you, they are very important. If you are driving your own vehicle, parking space is available. If you are planning to have lunch at Jurala or you want to get your cooked food here, do carry disposable plates and spoons. Packaged drinking water is available here and snacks you may carry as per your choice. So it's time for sunset, time to go back home. A pleasant day indeed with friends. You may also start earlier, say by 3 in the afternoon. Hope you all have enjoyed Jurala's beauty and I'm waiting for your comments and feedback. I'll be back soon with my next video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.